It's 6:17 on this Monday morning. Time for a check of your weather on the 7s, and we start in Texas, where Hurricane Beryl made landfall a couple of hours ago, not far from Houston. That area is seeing some very heavy rain and high wind as well. Thousands of power outages down off the Texas coast this morning. Winds up to 80 miles an hour. Storm moving off to the north at about 12 miles an hour. That's going to put it into Arkansas overnight tonight and eventually a little closer to Memphis by tomorrow. That's why we're watching this pretty carefully, because what's left of Hurricane Beryl is going to pass us by over the next couple of days. That's going to bring us a chance of some showers and some gusty wind for the next day or two. Now, believe it or not, we're actually already seeing some showers from the outer edges of Beryl this morning. Many areas are dry, but there are a couple of showers out there. Crittenden County, just north of West Memphis toward Turl and Earl. Also a sprinkle or two here in the Memphis metro. This is going to kind of be the trend through the day today. Most of the day will be dry. That's why I don't have the rain icon all day long. But notice there is that 30% chance of rain all the way through the day. So at some point today, you're probably going to see a quick sprinkle, but it won't last long. Most of today will be dry. We do see those rain chances creep up overnight tonight as the storm gets a little closer to us. So the hour by hour shows us again most of today's dry. By this evening and tonight, a couple of showers moving into northern Mississippi. And then overnight tonight, as what's left of Beryl gets closer to Memphis, that's when we'll see a better chance of some heavy rain and some gusty wind and some of those heaviest showers. That continues through tomorrow as well. Your Tuesday looks a little more wet than today does. We'll see a better chance of some heavy rain showers at times mixed in with some gusty wind before Beryl finally clears out of here by late Tuesday night. Again, wind gusts, they will pick up tomorrow as Beryl gets closer to us. Winds up to 30, even 35 miles an hour through the afternoon. So just to recap, as Hurricane Beryl gets a little closer to Memphis, we will see spotty showers today, tonight, and tomorrow. Gusty wind becomes a little bit more of a concern tonight and tomorrow. Again, those wind gusts up to about 35 miles an hour. Now, there is a low risk of a quick, weak tornado. That always happens with these tropical systems because the whole system is already spinning. It's easy for these little quick tornadoes to try to spin up. That is a very low concern. I don't think that's going to be a major issue for us, but it is something we're going to watch very carefully as Beryl passes by. Biggest issue, I think, is going to be the rain, especially in eastern Arkansas. Some areas could see 1 or 2 inches of rain today, tonight, and tomorrow. Again, those showers with Hurricane Beryl passing by. We will see gusty wind tomorrow as well, up to 35 miles an hour. That clears out tomorrow night. We're back to the sunshine Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Weekend looks pretty good as well. 87 your high Wednesday, but we're back to the 90s later in the week and pretty hot this weekend. Mid-90s for Saturday and Sunday.